results. Thank you so much for joining me wherever you're joining me from. Okay, so this hip, our hip is 44, which is 11 divided by 4. 11 plus 2, that's 13. Okay, so the thigh, so this is me cutting a trouser here. So if you are joining me live, I just finished talking about word of motivation and I already said bye. But you know what, I just thought, you know what, let me just quickly do this since I've started it already. Let me just quickly do the cutting of this sew. So the thigh, which is this bigger part of the leg, so that is the thigh. That's this bigger part. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So the thigh is 30. Yeah. So the person's thigh is 30 because they want it big. I think this size is for 14 inches. 14, size 14, sorry. UK size. So our thigh is 30 divided by 2 give me this 15 inches. So I'm just going to look for the middle point of that 15 inches, which is 7.5. So from here, I'm going to measure the hip, which is 44, sorry. That's 11. So I'm just going to add half, just in case. Half inch. So I'm going to make it 11.5 inches. Okay, from here to this flap, that's 11. I'll make it 11 inches. So I'll come down here by 1 inch. Don't know if this is very obvious. Let me shift the camera. Okay. So I'll come down here by 1 inch and I'm going to slant that. So just slant it like 4 inches before here, so that I don't slant it like all the way through here. Okay, so I'm going to curve here. So like I said, this is the middle part, 7.5 inches. Okay, so the way I cut this part is from here to here. I'll do 9 inches for the wideness. Okay, because she wants the down very wide, so I'm going to do 9 or 9.5. Let me make it 9.5. So this 9.5, I'm going to slant it all the way from here to this place. That's just the idea of trouser. So you all know the drill. The remaining one, I'll be using this front to cut out the back. So this back, I'll just be adding 2.5 inches on this part. I'll be adding 2.5 inches too on this part. I'm going to just slant it the exact way. Then this part too, I'll be adding 2 inches. So the back part is wider than the front part. So this is me saying goodbye. Thank you guys for joining me live. See you all in my next one. Bye. So how do I off this?